Hey everyone, this is Partise and you're watching MBA and Life. As promised, I have come up with the new series called Placement 2022. Now, this series is going to be really important for all of you because placement has anyway started in most of the B schools, and if it has not started in your B school, then it is going to start in just 2 to 3 weeks. So you have to start preparing from now onwards so that you can crack your dream company, be it for the final placement and be it for the summer placement. And in this series, I'll be going to help you with each and everything, how you can crack your dream company and how you can go into your dream role for various companies visiting your campus. Now, let's get started. Point number 1, revise your acads or the academics. Now, it is really important for the freshers and for the experienced candidates both to revise your academics. Now, this point might sound a very tedious task to do that. You have to revise each and every subject which you have studied in your MBA, but you have to do the smart work here. Now, first of all, start revising those 3 subjects which you like the most. Now, why I said 3 subjects? Because when you will study top 3 subjects which you like, there are high chances for people who are freshers that they might get asked questions in the interview based on the subjects which they have read. So it is very important for freshers to study their favorite subjects so that they are better able to answer the questions related to what they have studied in MBA. Now, if you are experienced, make sure that you record all the things which you have done in the past and the kind of experiences you had or the work experience you had. When you will do this, it will help you to articulate your answers in a better way so that you are able to answer it properly when a question is asked, that how your experience will help us in growing, how you will be beneficial to this role. So make sure that you are revising your previous experience as well. Now, for people who have experience, it is very important that they also study their subjects which you have read in the past, that is during their MBA especially, because when you will answer the questions mapping the theories and the concepts which you have read in MBA, this will impress the interviewer a lot, and this will tell the interviewer that yes, you have also studied new things in MBA and you are able to relate those things into the real world scenario. So it is very important for both the experienced and the freshers to revise your academics thoroughly so that you are able to map all the concepts of the theory into the real world and are better able to articulate your answers during interview. Point number 2, research about the company. And yes, I know that a lot of people, you will say that there are a lot of companies that visit to my campus and it is not possible for me to research about each and every company. Now, here is a trick how you can research about the company. First of all, understand what areas interest you and in which domain you want to make your career. Now, depending upon the companies which are coming to your campus for the summer internship, make sure if they are into the fields where you have interest, so make sure that you are researching well about that company. And yes, this again go for both the experienced person and how they will be growing in the near future. When you will research about the company, it will definitely reflect in your answers, and interviewer will definitely get impressed by you that yes, you have researched well about the company and you are prepared to sit for the interview. Not only this, when you will research well about the company, you will be able to map your vision, mission, goals, interest, hobbies and subjects which you like to the vision, mission, goals of the company. This will help the company or the organization visiting your campus to understand you well, and they'll better be able to understand that yes, you are a good fit for the company because your interest, hobbies, subjects you like aligns to their company and their goals. So chances of getting you selected for that role will get increased many folds. So do not forget to research about the company. It is very important. Point number 3, update your CV. Yes. Now, whenever we enter the B school, we definitely update our CV, we change our CV according to what the placecom has said or what our senior has said, definitely. But when it comes to sitting for the summer internship and the final placement, till that time, you have also done various other things. Like you might have done a competition, you have won a competition, you have organized something, you have won something in the acads, or you have done something substantial. So it is very important that you are adding new pointers in your CV as well. Make sure whenever you are adding a CV pointer, it has to be exact, crisp and short, so that it is very easy to read that line and it is very easy for the interviewer to comprehend that. When you will do so, again, the person who will be interviewing you will get to know that yes, after coming to the B school and while pursuing MBA, you have just not settled down and have become complacent, but you are still doing new things and you're trying new things. This will again create a good impression on the interviewer. So make sure that you are updating your CV at least 2 to 3 weeks before the summer internship and getting checked by the mentors or the placecom. Point number 4, mock GDs and PI. I just cannot emphasize more on how important mock GDs and PI are. Now, I've seen a lot of students giving not importance to mock GDs and PI, but this is my appeal to you that you should focus on mock GDs and PI because it will help you to perform well in the final mock GD or PI. How? In final GD or PI, you might face difficult situations like when a person is shouting and you're not able to control the situation. When the group has started discussing on a topic which is different from the topic which you have received. When the group is deviating from the topic, when a person is not given a chance to speak, or any other difficult situation, or where a topic is abstract and you don't know how to think and how to generate content. So it is very important for you to sit for mock GDs and PI because nothing could replace mock GDs and PI, and I'm telling you, you will thank me in the comment below after you have successfully done your mock GDs and PI and you have successfully also done the final GD and PI and selected for the summer internship. So make sure that you are doing mock GDs and PI as many as possible. Now, if you want me to give you a number that this is the minimum number of mock GDs and PI which you should do, then make sure that you have to do at least 5 mock GDs and PI. Yes, at least 5 mock GDs and PI, because then only you will be able to understand different situations, how you have to generate content, how you have to speak in gathering, and how you have to control situation. When you will do all this, you will be prepared for the mock GDs and PI, and you will definitely rock the final GD and PI, and this is my promise. So definitely practice a lot of mock GDs and PI. Point number 5, keep a tab on LinkedIn. Yes, we all cannot undermine the power of social media and especially LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great tool for all of us. Now, I personally know so many people who have bagged their dream roles with a great package in summer internship and for final placement as well through LinkedIn. So start using LinkedIn right now. There are ample amount of opportunities which are floated on LinkedIn each and every day. Make sure that you're keeping an eye on LinkedIn each and every day. Stop and reduce your time of using Instagram and Reels on Instagram and start using LinkedIn thoroughly. This will help you to find out even a better opportunity when compared to your campus and at a great package as well. So make sure that you're scrolling and searching a lot on LinkedIn about the summer internship. To search for summer internship, you can do few things like you can search for hashtag like hashtag summer internship, hashtag internship, hashtag summer, hashtag internship, hashtag SIP. You will find a lot of great opportunities on LinkedIn as well. Now, this is also for students who are not able to get placed till the end of the May. Don't get disheartened. Keep your spirit high. First of all, perform great in all the companies which are visiting to your campus, but also keep an eye on LinkedIn. You never know, you can even bag a better role and at a great stipend when compared to the roles and stipends offered at your campus. So yes, LinkedIn is a big tool for searching summer internships. Go and start using LinkedIn right now. So these were top 5 tips and tricks which you can use to bag your dream role in a dream company by practicing all these 5 points. Make sure that you do all these 5 points properly, and I'm telling you, nobody can stop you from bagging that role which you have in your mind. All the best for your summer internship, and keep watching MBA and Life for more such updates. That is for today, guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so that you keep on getting all the amazing updates about how you can improve your MBA life, how you can bag great placements and the summer internship, and also super amazing vlogs. And share this video with all your friends who are preparing for summer internship and for final placements, so they are also getting awareness on how they can prepare and how they can improve their method of preparation. So share it with all your friends. Till then, take care. Bye bye.